Hey guys, it's Miss Kerwin, and I want to go over how to find the volume of some rectangular prisms when we're just given the dimensions. So I have two different boxes here. The first one is right up here, and it says the height is 4 centimeters, the width is 2 centimeters, and the length here is 5 centimeters. So I always like to start by being official and writing my formula for volume. I know that volume is length times width. It looks like the area formula so far, but there's one more, times height. So now I can go ahead and plug in my numbers. The length we usually think of as like the long side that's touching the bottom. So I'm going to plug in 5 for the length. The width is the other part on the bottom that's usually shorter, but not always. And that's a 2. And then the height is how tall it is right up here, and that's 4. So I plugged in all my numbers. Now all I have to do is solve it. So I'm going to start by doing the first chunk, 5 times 2. I'm going to give you 4 seconds to think about it. It's 10. Did you get 10? And now I'm going to copy down what I haven't used yet. I haven't used this times 4. So now I'm going to go, what's 10 times 4? I'm going to give you 4 seconds to do that. It's 40. Did you get 40? Did you count by 10 4 times? And then I'm going to put my units. So I have centimeters, centimeters, centimeters. That means that we write centimeters cubed. And cubed is a little exponent. That's a 3 up in the air because we had 1, 2, 3 units of centimeters multiplied together. So shablamo, we're done with number 1. Let's go down to this bottom one. I'm going to do it in blue. This time I have 8 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and uh-oh, where's my other little guy? He's under here. He's 3. Trust me, it's another 3. So over to the side, I'm again going to be official, and I'm going to write my volume formula. So I'm going to write volume equals length times width times height. And now I'm going to plug in my numbers. My length and my width are the same this time. They're 3 and 3. So I'm going to take the time to put those right underneath. And then my height is the 8. It's how tall it is. So now I'm going to go ahead and solve it. So I'm going to start with my first chunk. It says 3 times 3. Think about that math fact. I'll give you 4 seconds. It's 9. And then I'm going to copy down everything else that I haven't used yet. So now I have another math fact, 9 times 8. I'll give you a few seconds again. It's 72. And this time our units are the exact same. There's centimeters again. Uh-oh, I'm going to go right onto my box, aren't I? But I'm going to make sure that I write that little cubed, which is a 3 as an exponent.